What if I told you that one of the most iconic compact cars in history almost got canceled after it literally fell over during a safety test? Buckle up, because the story of the Mercedes A-Class is one of the wildest safety transformations in automotive history. If you love deep dives into crash tests, car evolution, and finding out which cars will actually keep you alive, hit that subscribe button right now and ring the bell. The Mercedes A-Class has been around since 1997, and across four generations: the W168, the W169, the W176, and the W177. This car has gone from an embarrassing safety scandal to a benchmark of modern crash protection. Let's walk through each generation, what changed, and how it performed when testers tried to destroy it. Generation 1, U168. When Mercedes launched the first A-Class in 1997, it was a bold move. A small, tall, front-wheel drive city car, something Mercedes had never built before. The sandwich floor concept placed the engine beneath the floor rather than in front of it, creating a compact footprint with a surprisingly spacious interior. Engine options ranged from a 1.4-liter unit up to a 1.9-liter petrol. Mercedes marketed it as the future of urban mobility. And then came the Moose test. In October 1997, Swedish journalist Robert Collin performed a standard elk avoidance maneuver at just 66 kilometers per hour, roughly 41 miles per hour. The A-Class rolled over completely, not spun out, rolled over. The footage spread across Europe, and it was a catastrophic embarrassment for Mercedes-Benz. Sales were halted immediately. Mercedes recalled every A-Class sold and launched an emergency engineering overhaul. They widened the track, lowered the suspension, and, most critically, fitted every A-Class with the electronic stability program as standard. At the time, ESP was a premium feature found mainly on luxury vehicles. Mercedes made it standard on their cheapest car almost overnight. When tested by Euro NCAP in 1998, the W168 received 3 stars out of 5. The frontal offset impact showed concerning intrusion into the footwell. Side impact protection was underwhelming. The tall, narrow body created crash dynamics that engineers had not fully solved. 3 stars confirmed that for all its cleverness, this was not the safest compact on the road. Generation 2, W169. Mercedes went back to the drawing board. The W169 launched in 2004 was a more conventional hatchback, lower with a traditional profile and genuinely premium interior quality. Engine options expanded to include the A200 turbo with 193 horsepower, giving the lineup real hot hatch credentials. Safety was dramatically upgraded. ESP was standard from day one. The body structure was completely redesigned with improved crumple zones, stronger side impact protection, and a full curtain airbag system. Mercedes wanted to prove the W168 disaster was history. Euro NCAP tested the W169 in 2005 and awarded 4 stars. A major step forward. The frontal offset impact showed strong occupant cell protection with minimal intrusion. Side pole results were solid. The rating fell short of 5 stars due to chest loading issues in the frontal impact and modest pedestrian protection scores. Still, 4 stars placed the W169 among the safer small cars of its era. The Moose test ghost was buried. The car passed elk avoidance testing comfortably with its revised suspension and standard ESP. Generation 3, W176. The W176 launched in 2012 and changed everything. This was no longer a quirky city car, it was a statement. Low roofline, aggressive front fascia, wide track stance. Mercedes was directly targeting the Audi A3 and BMW 1 Series, going after younger buyers with a car that looked and felt genuinely premium. The interior featured the new Command infotainment system, available Harman Kardon audio, and cabin quality that rivaled far more expensive cars. At the top of the range sat the A45 AMG, a hand-built 2-liter turbocharged engine making 360 horsepower in its final form, 0 to 60 in 4.6 seconds, the most powerful series production 4-cylinder car in the world at the time. America started paying serious attention. Structurally, the W176 moved to an all-new platform with a significantly stronger occupant cell. Pre-safe systems began appearing, sensors detecting imminent collisions and pre-tensioning seatbelts, closing windows and adjusting seat positions before impact. Euro NCAP tested the W176 in 2012 and awarded a full 5 stars. Adult occupant protection scored 83%. Child occupant protection reached 78%. Pedestrian protection came in at 71%. The frontal full-width test, offset deformable barrier, and side pole impact all returned strong results. 5 stars under the updated, stricter 2012 protocols was a genuine achievement. The W176 was among the safest small cars on the market. Generation 4, W177. The W177 is the pinnacle of what the A-Class has become. Launched in 2018, it introduced Mercedes' MBX infotainment system. 2 large widescreen displays, voice control activated by saying, "Hey Mercedes," and augmented reality navigation overlaying directions onto a live camera feed. The interior quality is genuinely class-leading. Engine options start from a 1.3-liter turbocharged unit up through 2-liter diesel and petrol options. The A45S AMG produces 421 horsepower, the most powerful production 4-cylinder car ever built at launch. 4.0 seconds to 60 miles per hour from a compact hatchback. Safety technology took another leap. Active lane keeping assist, active brake assist with cross-traffic detection, blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera system, and a new center airbag deploying between driver and front passenger. Pre-safe became smarter. The car can now detect side impacts before they happen and deploy protection preemptively. Euro NCAP tested the W177 in 2018. 5 stars again. Adult occupant protection scored 84%. Child occupant protection hit 85%. Pedestrian protection reached 77%. Safety assist scored 76%. A significant improvement driven by the advanced driver assistance suite. The far side impact test showed outstanding performance thanks to that new center airbag. Under the demanding 2018 protocols, the W177 placed itself among the very best compact cars for safety, period. That's the full story of the Mercedes A-Class, from a car that fell over to a car that fights to keep you alive. If this video helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment telling us which generation is your favorite, and most importantly, subscribe. See you in the next one. See you in the next.